Ang bawat estudyante ng UP Baguio ay may tatak ng balanseng edukasyon. Kilala tayong mahusay sa debate at talakayan, ngunit sanay din sa pagtahimik at pakikinig. Kilala tayong tumututok sa mga kwento ng trahedya, ngunit mapagmasid din sa luwalhati ng mga pamayanan. Kilala tayong kritikal at lumalaban. Habang sanay din tayo sa pakikisama at pagtanggap. Sa pagsasaliksik, kinikilatis natin ang mga payak at munti. At kinikilatis din ang matatayog at dambuhala. Binibigyan natin ng panahon ang pagsiseryoso, upang mabigyan din natin ng panahon ang pagsasaya. Binibigyan natin ng panahon ang ensayo, dahil alam nating ang sining ay hindi minamadali. At kahit sa mga pagkakataong walang oras o walang panahon, ayos lang yon, tuloy-tuloy lang. Dahil pihado, pagkatapos ng dusa, may kalayaang umalagwa. Kilala tayong umiibig at nagtitiwala sa sariling atin. At hinuhubog din tayong magkaroon ng tiwala sa sarili. Sa loob at labas ng pamantasan, balanse at makabayang edukasyon mula sa ili para sa ili. Yan ang tatak UP Baguio.
ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyat ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisihin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bagha. May dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nag-iingin. Ang bituin at araw ng kailan, pag may di magdidiling. Lupa ng araw ng buwan, hatid pagsinta mo'y langit sa piling mo. Sa piling mo, aming ligaya na pag-may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Officials of the University of the Philippines, UP Baguio faculty, parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, isang matagumpay na araw sa ating lahat. I am Paul German Narval, ES Computer Science. Alam naman po natin na kaming mga graduates ngayon ay mga nagsi-extend. Dahil sa masyadong pag-e-enjoy sa university, sa pag-shift, sa core subject na kinulang, sa panandaliang paghinto sa pag-aaral, sa mga thesis na sa aming comsoy ay special problem. Yet there is nothing shameful in extending. Stay for another 1 or 2 or 3 years was an opportunity for us to know more, to experience more, to serve and guide more, to be anchored more in what we believe in, and ultimately, to grow more. Will is necessary for us to be able to persevere and press on. Now, why serve? We serve to show our thanksgiving. Our thanksgiving to the university and the people that comprise it. In serving, we would usually think of grand and complex acts. However, since we are still in bachelor studies, it doesn't have to be some big scientific breakthrough. Our study could be just localizing an existing study or applying this mathematical model to our society and see if it works. Extending this thought, our service does not necessarily have to be immediately far-reaching and national or even global in scope. Honestly, these are good vision for long term. But for the meantime, okay lang na magsimula muna sa maliit. For us comsci people, we don't need to expect that we can create a platform that can overtake Facebook in connecting people or Google in answering questions. We dream of it, but for now we could develop a system that automatically computes the employees with credits. It could be anything, just to improve the state of others. It could be holding the spotlight for others, although that is what we do momentarily. We hold on to that will, to that vision as we press on. We is what will help us press on. W is for will, and E is for excellence. O Paul, ba't naman excellence? Dahil mahirap magpatuloy kung alam natin na hindi natin magagawa. Sa 4 na taon at mahigit, bumuo tayo ng kanya-kanyang kahulugan ng excellence. For me, what makes us excellent is not the sequence of successes that we have achieved. Passing the exam, that paper, course, finishing a thesis, and finally reaching our graduation. Of course, that's the case, then not a single one of us here is excellent. In programming, there would be a time where we would encounter just one error. After leaving our all to solve that error, are we done? No, we'd have 10 more errors. What I'm trying to say here is that every time we overcome our obstacles, we would encounter new and harder ones to overcome. What I came to understand is that behind every victory is first a succession of defeats. Excellence is pressing on regardless of the sequence of setbacks and defeats. Rising again and again, persevering until the dawn breaks is excellence. And this is our excellence, whatever Whatever the world would throw at us and however they would drag us down, we would remember the hindi ko to kaya, hindi ako sapat, hindi ako para rito, that we experienced here. The fact that we are here means that we have persevered through the hardships and have grown to overcome them. For every obstacle we will encounter, remember our own success stories at this point. Hang on to them, for that is our assurance that we can persevere to grow once again and to overcome once again. For whenever we fall, we, watashi tachi, tachi agare, rise up. Let's press on. Congratulations to all of us. Buhay ang mga scholar ng bayan.
Binabati ko kayo, mga scholar ng bayan, sa inyong pagtatapos mula sa UP nating mahal. Kayo ay nabibilang sa katangi-tanging Batch 2020. Natatangi sapagkat kayo ay nagsipagtapos sa panahon ng isang pandemya. Na kahit pa napaikli ng pandemyang ito, ang inyong paglagi at pag-aaral sa loob ng ating pamantasan, ay buong husay at tapang naman ninyong hinarap ang lahat ng hamon ng pagkakataon at matagumpay kayong nakaraos sa mga kursong inyong ngayong tinapos. Totoo nga, nakakaiba ang mga seremonya ng pagtatapos sa ating bansa ngayon. Subalit hindi man ninyo naranasan ang mga kaabang-abang na tradisyon tulad ng pagsusuot ng ating sablay, paggawad ng mga titulo at karangalan, o paglahok sa mga lighting rally kaya, kayo naman ay mga tunay pa ring mga graduate at ngayon ay alumni na ng UP. Taos-puso pa rin nating ipinagdiriwang ang okasyong ito gaya ng mga nagdaang araw ng pagtatapos. At pinasasalamatan natin ang lahat ng ating mga nakasama sa makabuluhang paglalakbay na ito. Sa mga nakalipas na buwan, natutunan natin kung paano harapin ang isang kakaibang sitwasyon sa kasaysayan ng ating daigdig at lipunan, ang pagharap sa sakit na COVID-19. Bagamat hindi pa lubos na natatapos ang mga panganib na sanhi ng nasabing sakit, ating tandaan na hindi biro ang paghubog, pagsasanay at paghandang ibinahagi sa inyo ng UP upang mapagtagumpayan ninyong sama-sama ang anumang hamong inyong kakaharapin. Ating tandaan na ang panahon ng krisis ay hindi lamang isang masamang panaginip. Ito rin ay isang mabuting pagkakataon upang tayo ay lalong magpunyagi, magpakahusay at makapaglingkod sa bayan. Isabuhay natin ang diwa ng UP, ang pagkakaisa, ang paglilingkod ng buong husay at dangal, at patunayan natin na walang hangganan ang pag-aambag ng ating universidad at ng kanyang mga alumni sa paghahanap at paglalapat ng mga epektibong alternatibo at solusyon sa anumang suliranin. Sa tulong ng inyong mga propesor, kamag-aral, kasama sa kolehiyo at mga organisasyong kinabibilangan, naibigay ng UP ang lahat ng aralin at kasanayan sa loob ng higit na maikling panahon at sa pamamagitan ng kakaibang pamamaraan ng pagtuturo. Dapat nating mapagtanto na ang tunay at higit na makabuluhang larangan ng pagkatuto ay nasa labas ng ating pamantasan. Kayo ang Batch 2020, ang unang henerasyon ng mga nagsipagtapos na scholar ng bayan sa panahon ng pandemyang COVID-19. Inaasahan kong kayo ay mangunguna sa pagbabangon sa ating bayan mula sa lusak ng trahedyang ito. Gamitin sana ninyo ng wasto ang karunungang tatak UP. Buong giting at husay nawa ninyong gampanan ang pagiging mabuting Pilipino na may utak at puso para sa kapwa at sa bayan. Muli, binabati ko kayo sa makasaysayan at makabuluhang okasyong ito. Gabayan nawa kayo ng poong may kapal.
Paano ba pasasalamatan ang aking mahal na magulang? Isa pa ang mga katagang sa lahat ng mga paghihirap.
Sa araw na ito, nais kong sabihin, marapat kayong dakilain. Sa lahat ng inyong paggabay, paglambing, ang awit na ito'y alay namin.
Kayo ang mahina, ang aking duyan. Sa akin ay naghele mula pasina hanggang sa paglaki. Siya rin himlayan. Sa tuwing pasubok ay hindi makayanan. Kayo ang makina, ang aking duyan. Laging mayroong pangakong di babayaan. At sisikapin kong maging sintibay. Pagdating ng araw na kailangan ninyo ang duyan. Paano ba pasasalamatan ang aking mahal na magulang?
Sa lahat ng inyong paggabay, paglambing, ang awit na ito'y alay namin.
Kayo ang makina, ang aking duyan. Sa akin ay naghele mula pasila hanggang sa paglaki. Siya rin himlayan. Sa tuwing pagsubok ay hindi makayanan. Kayo ang makina, ang aking duyan. Laging mayroong pangakong di babayaan. At sisikapin kong maging sintibay. Pagdating ng araw na kailangan ninyo ang duyan. Kayo ang makina, ang aking duyan. Sa akin ay naghele mula pasiya hanggang sa paglaki. Siya rin himlayan. Sa tuwing pagsubok ay hindi makayanan. Kayo ang makina, ang aking duyan. Laging mayroong pangakong di babayaan. At sisikapin ko maging sintibay. Pagdating ng araw na kailangan ninyo ang duyan.
Chancellor Robilius, buong karangalan kong ihinaharap sa inyo ang mga magsisipagtapos sa Universidad ng Pilipinas, Baguio mula sa Kolehiyo ng Sining at Komunikasyon para sa Mid-Year 2019 at sa taong akademiko 2019-2020. Certificate in Fine Arts, Visual Arts, Bachelor of Arts in Communication, Bachelor of Arts in Language and Literature, Master of Arts in Language and Literature.
Chancellor Robilius, buong karangalan kong inihaharap sa inyo ang mga magsisipagtapos sa Universidad ng Pilipinas, Baguio mula sa Kolehiyo ng Agham para sa Mid-Year 2019 at sa taong akademikong 2019-2020. Bachelor of Science in Biology, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in Mathematics, Bachelor of Science in Physics, Master of Science in Conservation and Restoration Ecology, Master of Science in Mathematics.
Chancellor Robilius, buong karangalan kong inihaharap sa inyo ang mga magsisipagtapos sa Universidad ng Pilipinas, Baguio mula sa Kolehiyo ng Agham Panlipunan para sa Mid-Year 2019 at sa taong akademikong 2019-2020. Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences, Bachelor of Science in Management Economics, Master of Arts in Social and Development Studies, Master of Management.
Pangulong Concepcion, buong karangalan kong inihaharap sa inyo ang mga magsisipagtapos mula sa Universidad ng Pilipinas, Baguio para sa kanilang iba't ibang degree at titulo para sa Mid-Year 2019 at sa taong akademikong 2019-2020. Ang kanilang pagtatapos ay inirekomenda ng kanilang mga akademikong unit at ng University Council ng UP Baguio at inoprubahan ng lupon ng mga rehente.
Sa bisa ng kapangyarihang ipinagkaloob sa akin ng umiiral na batas at ng lupon ng mga rehente ng universidad, iginagawad ko sa inyo ang mga degree at titulong inirekomenda para sa inyo. Kalakip ang lahat ng karapatan, karangalan at pribilehyo, pati na ang mga responsibilidad na kaakibat nito.
Severino Pamela Angelica Tamayo, Roldan Kenneth Brian Torres, Crespo Carmela Isabel Calma, Castro Romary Fang, Francisco Cara Isabel Udtuhan, Gonzalo Ruth Tostos, cum laude, Jonatas Jana Ley Bautista, Pinol Reza Marie Mamaril, Alden Alexa Daniel Reyes, cum laude, Aquino Maria Clay Aphrodite de Cepeda, Bailon Arsenio Jr. Pilis, Henesa Chelsea Marie Salamanes, Lazaro Francesca Maria Isabel Verdadero. Rilliorta Miguel Ulrich Rabara, cum laude. Soria Michael Patrick Untalasco. Tabo-Tabo III Enrico Tuazon. Agapito Gemerald Zabat. Aquino Baron Paulo Calixtro. Balita Val Aison. Castillo Angel Dominador Ursua. Favis Charlene Salinda. Isidro Jason Dovan Relator. Patricio Christian Valdez. Serapion J.M. Bumanlag. Tuginay Ned Lloyd Yang Ed. Agunia Divina Femina Candelaria. Lukzon Luel Dolatre. Tolibas Bettina Ruth Martinez. Ardidon John Vincent Tumaliwan. Marco Sean David Bautista. Morgia Christine Norin Morales. Leymara Valdueza Fitaca.
Abanyo Shena Gloria. Alegre Julia Victoria Ponce. Bashini Franz Alexis Manglikmot. Bautista Maria Victoria Valencia. Bonilla Roston John Dauas. Kamat Liza May Ferrer. Castro Sofia Janzel Mauricio. De Mesa Tamara Yentil Coliantes. Filipino Christian Lloyd Pagyo. Morden Rovian Virgimel Gragasin. Oreo Ray Joseph Rosario. Pachoco Maria Mariven Pastor. Pangag Loricel Vilog. Pinas Riven Kianan Miklay. Quinto Aliana David. Simon Cristel Sigmar Manuel. Carbonel Ariza May Diaz. Circa Elica Martin. De la Peña Hannah Shaila Agustin. De la Rosa Stephanie Lobo. Fernando Charis Agapito. Petesio Emeline Jaira Pilawen. Fumbuena Rivi Jen Rivera. Gaho Carla Jean Escalante. Lopez John Christian De Leon. Luzano Angela Milagros Ocampo. Maniti Andrea Jo Gotido. Muñoz Abel Christopher Torres. Balagat Hazeline Calasikas. Naraval Paul Jeremiah Delfinado, cum laude. Dogup Tyrell Justine Alangsab. Fajardo John Kenneth de Guzman. Gueco Rihanna Elizabeth Nasaire. Aledo Allen Brent Rosal. Aquino John Israel Bregania. Orara Paraluman Mariel. Amarles Cleo Jude Sailanon. Cordero Rodolfo Scotty Aquino. De Guzman Esther Joyce Padilla. Esquivel Naomi Geneva Galiendo. Laureta William Cesar Abiva. Peña Flor Dayan Salamoding. Perez III Honorato Guerrero. Season Kathleen Joy Taaka. Tejada J. Mart Saludes. Tibay Andrea Miliare. De la Cruz John Mark Amadeo. Domingo Aliana Kimberly Flor Dacayo. Lim Maynard Alberto Go. Margalio John Darcy Pancho. Pineda Mary Margaret Sibug. Relativo Chelsea Jean Tambanillo. Sabandal Lindsay Evangelio. Tunogbanwa Angelica Mia Daguman. Valenzuela Arlene Pagurayan. Yarsa Drazen Lopez. Yage Cristel Sadama. Taguchi Hana. Villasilio Ray Benedict Acuña. Cerudo Samuel Harrison Pangan. Fronda Joseph Victor Tadena cum laude. Marquez Friedrich Carl Cortez. Mayol Adora Salvacion Roldan. Orate Jr. Aloncio de Venecia. Panganiban Norwen Cayago. Ranit Christian Alejandro Santarin. Talavera Nadine Escaler. Madonna Castillo Dakigan. Ronald Lachica Aquino. Hazel May Reyes Diza. Ronica Querol Masangkay. Renz Jimwell Silva Mina. Jonas Paul Taberna Viernes. Ron Alan Valmonte Baran. Karen Abigail Escarcha Bocasas. Olive Ribaya Kawiding. DG Garcia Elopre.
William Jr. Sobredo Gayo, Mark John Terrado Mangsat, Rick Joseph Raimundo Morillo, Gina May Rabanera Natividad, Aprimel Chris Jasildo Pahimola,
Lumibaw Geraldine Cruz, Mutia Maika Helena Villarta, Abiera Carlos Luis Sena, Aligo Winston Taine, Bautista Francis Frederick Macaraeg, Clemente Mary Antoinette Hervasio, Diaz Noel Mozart Babaran, Dominguez Nicole Cruz, Estioco Aliza Joy Castillo, Fernando Jovitaan Nicole Musni, La Torre Eliza Theriz Makilan, Mayor Richelle May de la Cruz, Rulia Thalia Ingrid Kalulot, Balatayo Catherine Cruz, Baliwag Vicky Luella Donato, Daep Asea Daniel Soriano, Damit Althea Flocae Kuteng, De Guzman Alexandria Dominique Cunanan, Gumapos Alaisa Dulay, Pascual J. Sidney Manipula, Shafa Adrian Isabel Potenciano, Visperas Von Xavier Serrano, Kaparal Naomi Angel Opalia, Reyes Jani Ann Austria, Jeronimo Leo Angelo de Guzman, Maria Teresa Zabat Lazaro, Jansen Taruk Nakar, Carmen Cheryl Diney Daitek Yangot, Annabel Nalibsan Apse, Michael Guray Soriano, Sherwin Batalia Biasura, Serafin Olivier Quintos Lasqueti III,
Mangyari lamang na tumayo ang mga magtatapos at itaas ang kanang kamay. Taos puso akong nanunumpa na isa sa katuparan ko ng buong husay, katapatan at walang pag-iimbot ang mga tungkuling nakaatang sa akin bilang kasapi ng samahan ng mga nagsipagtapos sa Universidad ng Pilipinas. Ipagtatanggol ko at ipaglalaban ang kapakanan ng universidad na aking pinagtapusan, ang Universidad ng Pilipinas. At ipinapangako ko magiging matapat na nagtapos sa universidad na ito sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Kaya tulungan nawa ako ng Diyos.
Pinakamahalaga sa mga itinatanging tradisyon ng ating universidad, ang ritual ng pagtatanglaw, ang pagpasa ng ating karunungan na sinasagisag ng ilaw. Panandali lamang ngunit lipos ng kahulugan ang ritual na ito. Binibigyang buhay at pinatitingkad ng mga kandilang inilawan mula sa inang tanglaw sa entablado ang iba't ibang larawang nagkahugis sa pagdaraan ng mahabang panahon. Mga larawan ng pagbupunyagi, ng pagbibigay at pagtanggap, ng paglikha at pagbubuo, ng pag-alam at pangunawa. Mga larawan ng sigasig sa paghahanap ng karunungan. Sa loob ng ilang sandali, magwawakas ang ritual ng pagtatanglaw. Pagkatapos nito, tapos na ang sandali ng pananagisag at muli na naming naidaos ang seremonya ng pagpasa ng ilaw ng karunungan. Ngunit ang pag-aaral at pagbubuo ng mga kaalaman na nagsimula sa nakalipas na panahon ay magpapatuloy sa mga darating pang araw. Ito'y isang walang tigil na daloy ng pagtuto, isang walang hanggang proseso ng pagtuklas ng karunungan.
Hello batchmates! My name is Miguel Rabara Rillarta, but my friends know me as Miggy. We're finally here, our Sablay 2020. I know it's not the end we had in mind when we finished our stay in UP, but of course, for everyone's well-being, this is the best we can get. Graduating from UP is always worth something regardless of where we are right now. I hope everyone is doing well and is healthy as we cap off our difficult but worthwhile stay in UP Baguio. As UP graduates, we now bear the light. This light symbolizes the experiences and everything we had while studying. Such experiences made us who we are as we move beyond the space of the university. This sounds inspirational, but to be completely honest with you, it's very difficult to be inspirational these days. This pandemic has taken a toll on all of us. It's painful to speak of a light that guides all of us to a brighter future when in reality, the future has never been more dim and uncertain for all of us. It's also hard for me to talk about success, our success, transitioning into the workforce while many Filipinos are losing their jobs because companies can't afford to keep them anymore. The worst part? It's even harder for me to talk about freedom in all its shapes and forms because of recent events that legally restrain me from doing so. I know we're all supposed to be hopeful, but just taking a look around, it's really challenging to say the least. But I'm not here to deliver a speech to make you feel miserable. Instead, I'm here to tell you that we're ready to face what's to come. After all, we are batch 2020, the all-star batch, as many of us like to call it. But let's be honest. I think we all know what it stands for. We're the batch that broke the mold. We are, how do they call it, the batch of delinquents or misfits. And believe me, I mean that as a compliment. We are the batch who, considering most of our circumstances, took the unorthodox path in and or out of UP. Some of us are transferees who initially didn't pass the UPCAT, but right now are donning our very own sablay. Perhaps we are the hopeful freshies who dreamed of finishing our degree program on time, but took a little longer than expected because of that one subject that was scheduled too early in the morning, or perhaps that one term paper that was given a month before, but of course we chose to do it a month after. Regardless of how we finished, strong or barely finishing at all, we completed our academic responsibilities in UP. We really did it. It's fitting to mention that people grow differently. Some can finish their degree within the recommended time and recommended amount of units per semester, while others simply can't do that. Does that mean they're doing something wrong? Not necessarily. But does that mean they're lesser in some aspect? Definitely not. Breaking the mold doesn't necessarily mean failure or inadequacy. I'd like to believe that breaking the mold serves as a symbol of growth and change. If putting your mental health above the pressures of schoolwork makes you a more holistic and happier person, then break the mold. If attending your organization meetings with your org mates makes you feel safe and gives you purpose, then by all means, go to your GAs and break the mold. If protesting on the streets brings the problems of our people to the fore, even if some say we're just causing traffic, then by all means, now more than ever, should we break the mold. It's all about finding the balance of what we ought to do for others and what we ought to do for ourselves. Breaking the mold doesn't have to mean doing something wrong. I believe that breaking the mold emphasizes the complexity of each of us. The more we try to understand these complexities, the better we are at addressing the obstacles that each of us face. Now, it's no secret that we are ushering in a world of a broken mold. Protective masks cover faces, staying home makes us heroes, and of course, any plan set out for 2020 has either been pushed back indefinitely or cancelled completely. This broken mold of our world is truly frightening. It really is the sign of the times. But we are the people of the broken mold. We know what uncertainty feels like, and we know how much it can get in the way of our day-to-day. If we are to maneuver the coming uncertainties, we need to draw from the experiences which led us to this point. We need to be strong and proactive to be ready for any challenge to come. Most importantly, we need to stay hopeful and grounded through it all. Now more than ever, the world needs people of the broken mold. Those who walked off the beaten path and found another way. Like I said, it's hard to be inspirational in times of crisis that affect even our most basic securities. But that doesn't mean we stop trying to make things better. If there's anything that our UP education has taught us, it is that we always prepare for the worst. And right now, it seems the worst is yet to come. Yet here we are prepared and equipped to face what's to come. Perhaps this is the light we have to carry to get through this crisis. Padayon Batch 2020, let's traverse this uncertainty with our heads held high and our feet planted. Thank you very much.
You